In this video, we will build a formula to separate location from code when we have different number of characters in the code and we have different delimiters. We have here code and location, and both are separated by delimiter. In the first case, we have code and location separated by hyphen, but in some cases we have code and location separated by underscore. So in this video, we will build one single formula to separate code from location when we have multiple delimiters. So let's do one thing. Let's do the latest formula, that is text split. I have selected text split. Now I need to select text. In this case, I have this text that I want to split, and in this case my delimiter will be hyphen, and done. I have done. But if I drag it down to the entire range, we can see these two cases have not been split. So to do that, what we need to do is we need to make it an array. Instead of 1, we need to make it a 2. First delimiter and second delimiter will be comma, and into the inverted commas, underscore, closed, and then I'm going to close curly brackets, curly braces. What it does is it identifies these two string or characters we have put it up as an array, and it splits by both delimiters. So if I just copy this range to down, as we can see, it has been split by both the delimiters.